So if you can't tell, this is actually connected to a single bowl pot scullery sink. Not that it completely complies with the code, but it was the best picture I had of helping you all identify this as it's 3 words actually. And the first letter of each word is SFP, single fixture pump. So that's an example of what we call a true single fixture pump. Now you're going to get out into the field, you're going to be talking to people you work with, and they're going to go, no, if you have a 5-gallon tank with a pump under it, and then you run a drain to that pump, that's a single fixture pump. Nope, not by definition, it's not. Because when you have a tank, that means it has a chamber vent, has to be vented to the venting system. The fixture itself has to be vented. All it is a sump with a pump in it, and it's typically 5 gallons. There's a big difference between a single fixture pump and a sump with a pump that's 5 gallons, because they both have completely different definitions. A sump with a pump is like a small version of a ejector sump with a ejector pump inside the sump. With a single fixture pump like this, as soon as the water begins to flow down this drain out of this sink, it starts running. It's passing a flow switch right here within this drop, and it immediately turns on. Where a sump with a pump in it takes maybe a minute before it comes on.